Yeah. Okay. Shireen, what did you think of the entire fair now that it has ended?
Well, I must say, from being extremely euphoric, there's like a feeling of like the aftermath. So it's like, you start feeling, okay, what next tomorrow? Anyway, that apart, I think this fair has been more than one has expected. It's been the general feeling with all of us. I know I'm not saying anything new, but what I come back with is that this fair is has been like today. All roads lead to Art Summit in Delhi. Not only from Delhi, it's from Bangalore, it's from Chandigarh, it's from Bombay, it's from Kerala, Calcutta. I mean, they've all come specially for the Art Summit. So what I really think the Art Summit has served is that it is going to be the Indian fair, and if we really up our scales and become the great Indian fair, it, of course, it matters that we become international. But if we're not super international, I really don't care. If it's a really high standard Indian fair, we've served a huge purpose here. So that's what I would aim for next year. Um, well, I think the lighting is very bad. In art, when we put up work, one of the key things we look at is lighting. And today, lighting has become so advanced. And even in art fairs, when you go, there's always like a special way that lighting is done. It's bad in some art fairs. Here, it's really quite bad. So I think you need to improve on that, and higher walls so we can sort of hang higher things. We have sort of space for bigger things. So yeah. Thank you. Bye.